guys, this is me, Caden, and I'm leading the Cocktail Climbing Club. The Cocktail Climbing Club. You see at the first picture. If you want to watch the video, you need to get this book. Cocktail Climbing Club. So there's a picture about like there's Mooly and Flappy and Itsy Pitsy getting a crayon and pen and purple pencil crayon and red pencil crayon, a blue pencil crayon, and he's getting a paintbrush, got a Sharpie. Dave, go. Cocktail Climbing Club, and you see there's like a Itsy Pitsy stepping on the rock, and he's getting Squid Kid and Kitty did. An epic sneak peek preview by Moody and Itsy Pitsy. And that's Molly and Itsy Pitsy. That's Molly, that's Flippy, and that's Flippy. And he said Grace at the bottom. Chapters and comments. You read that for yourself. Pause this video and you read all of this for yourself. You don't need to read this. I'll show you later. Don't need to read that. Just read this if you want to. Okay. That's chapter 1. Ideas, and it's a picture about Mooly, Itsy Pitsy getting a pencil, and he's drawing an exclamation mark, and there's a blue frog, a red frog, and a yellow frog. Hey guys, welcome to the first meet of the Cat Kid Climbing Club. Hooray! And there's, I don't know who is the frog. I think they're tadpoles and they turn to frogs. Yeah. This is Itsy Pitsy. He's the president, and I'm the vice president. How come Molly gets to be vice president? Yeah, because I called it first. I got dibs. What's dibs? I don't know what's dibs. I'll skip that question. Rats, no fair. Oh, ooh. Yes, Meven? Yes, Meven? Can be vice president too? Hey, I want to be a vice president. Me too. We can't all be vice president. Say who? I'm going to be the sneakier vice president. Oh yeah, well, I'm the super vice president. I'm the triple double secret vice president. I'm the natural vice president times 10. I'm the universal CEO of Gobble Vice Manager times infinity. Can't do that. You're fired, Daddy. Here comes Flippy. What's going on? Starla fired me. From what? I forgot. Well, we're off to a great start. Yep. And there is Itsy Pitsy looking down, and there's Moody looking at Itsy Pitsy. I fired him from the comedy club. Oh yeah. You can't do that, Starla. Told ya. But he was trying to hog all the glory. She was too. If you kids can't behave yourself, then Itsy Pitsy is going to have to go home. And Itsy Pitsy's getting 4 lines. There are 4 purple lines in his head. And Flappy seeing him. And Molly seeing Flappy. Is that what you want? No. Then you better straighten up and fly right. Okay, sorry, Dad. So if everybody's done being a pain, Then let's get started. Thanks, Moody. Today we're gonna work on ideas. So everybody grab a pencil and draw a line on your paper like this. Now on the left side, write 5 things you love. And Little Petty writes comments, fireflies, popcorn, friends, and joke. And friends. Little Petty writes comments, fireflies, popcorn, friends, and Little Petty didn't write. I don't know what Little Petty writes jokes there. So he writes 5. 1 is common, 2 is firefly, 3 is popcorn, 4 is friends, and 5 is jokes. You can't see the jokes because he didn't write. He didn't write all of them. And Molly writes pizza, bubblegum, squids, videos, and kitty. Okay, now on the other side are 3 things I like to do in Little Petty writes play, read, laugh, write, and draw. And sweets in Molly writes draw, sing, read, talk loud, and be weird. Would anybody like to share the list? Ooh. Okay, Meven. Breho. Meven writes science, math. Meven writes science, math, dinosaurs, quizzes, extra grades. Meven writes complain, argue, study, brush my teeth, and goats. No. Actually, that's pretty good. Now let's all try to think up an idea by using stuff from Meven's list.一个，妈妈，我知道为什么。妹妹没有盖被子。妹妹 sleep 在她的 pillow。No， 妹妹弄她的被子妹妹弄她的被子弄一个 pillow。I'm just talking to my mom. My mom's here. I'm just talking to my mom. Actually, that's pretty good. Now let's all try to think of anything from using stuff from Meven's list. He could write about a dinosaur who likes to brush his teeth, yeah. Or a nerd who likes to annoy people. Okay, what happens next? I want to see. I got it. I'm gonna write a comment about a troop cat named Densies who wants to be a layer for dinosaurs. And I shall call my masterpiece. Ta-da! Then sees the 2 person who want to be a dinosaur layer by Meven the frog. Okay. Now everybody, be quiet. I'm working. So let's quit, I said. Okay, while Meven works on his comment, we thought we'd show you all some done. Already? Feast your eyeballs. Then sees the 2 person who want to be a dinosaur layer by Meven the frog. One time there was the toothbrush named Densies who wanted to be a layer for dinosaurs. So, yeah, go ahead. About the author, Meven the frog. Meven the frog. I don't want to read this, so you read this. If you have the book, you read this. Yeah, I don't want to read this. It'll take me long. Well, that was dumb. Hey, we do not talk to each other like that, Nava. But I was just being honest. You need to go sit all the time around. No. Then you need to talk about to me. I'm sorry your con was dumb. And so, worst day ever. Don't worry, Millie. Things will be better tomorrow. How could they get any worse? And that's it. Chapter 2. Not reading it. Next time I'm going to read chapter 2. So that's the end of the video. Bye-bye.